Adding a favicon to WordPress is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your website in Google Chrome. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the Update Your Site option. This is where we can make edits to our website and fully set it up. Scrolling down, you'll find the option to acquire your own domain for building the site. Domains can be either free or paid. Now, let's move the cursor to the sidebar. The sidebar contains various pages. For instance, you'll find stats and updates for making changes and enhancing the site. In the inbox, you can engage in chats with others. Additionally, there are several other pages like media, posts, comments, Jetpack, and more. WordPress provides plugins that enable us to expand our website in line with the latest update. Then there are the settings, which are central to our task. Our main objective is to add a favicon to the site. As you can see, my site currently lacks a favicon. Let's rectify that. Click on the settings. Upon selecting General, the settings page will open. Here, we have the chance to edit our profile details. You'll find fields for the site title, site tagline, and site address. While I've chosen English as the language, you're free to edit this setting. Now, navigate to the top of the page and click on Site icon. From your Images folder, choose the image you'd like to use. You can even crop the image as needed. Once done, the system will process the changes. And there you have it, we're done. The site favicon has been successfully added.